Hey, it's the Job Hunter, and I'm out here searching for jobs. And guess what I found? A job working with elephants. That's right. Here we go. Elephants. You see that sucker right there? Now I would love to work with those big old elephants. I would love to work with them. Let's ask this lady right here. Oh, she's gone back in. Close the door. They probably can't give me any information if they're closing the doors up. Wow. Well, the Job Hunter is going to go over here and find out if I can get me an application to work with these big old beasts. You know what I'm saying? I hope this elephant don't get loose and trample my ass. Wow, that's a big ass elephant. Hey, you think I could work with you? I do need a job. The Job Hunter. Anybody around here can give me a job? Work with the elephants? Man, that's a big ass elephant. I don't see anybody around here who could talk to me. What the hell's wrong with that elephant? Just bobbing his head back and forth, back and forth. Oh, he's giving us a show. Hey, Mr. Elephant. Could you get on one leg? Could you stampede? That'd be fun watching the Job Hunter run from the... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look like that sucker coming closer. Boy, you get to coming over here. I'm out of here. I see how they do on TV. Man, I don't see anybody around here that would give me a job with these big ass elephants. But I sure do want one. I'm just standing out here, nothing to do, no job. Can't find nobody to ask him if I can work with the elephants. Man. There goes somebody right there. Hey, you the boss? No. I need a job. Can I work with the elephants? No, you got an application? No application? No? What's the elephant's name?
Tika and Patty.
Huh?
Tika and Patty.
Tika and Patty?
Yeah.
Wow. Those are big elephants. They're not gonna stampede or nothing, right?
No.
They don't go crazy like the elephants on TV. I really need a job. I like elephants. I want to work with the elephants.
My boss isn't up.
Your boss isn't up?
No.
Where he sleep over there in the... Is that where he sleeps at, right there?
Yes, sir.
Could you wake him up? Are you scared to wake him up? Yeah? Why don't you take one of the elephants over there with you?
I'm not allowed to go near him without him.
Huh?
I can't go near them.
You can't go near the elephants?
Not without my boss.
I need a job, man. I would love to work with these things. Wow. Well, the Job Hunter can't get no application. There's nobody to... The boss is asleep. I'm gonna find me a job. The Job Hunter. I'm out of here. Ain't getting no work around here. But I would love to work with the elephants. You know, I probably wonder how they taste. You think elephants taste good? People don't eat elephants, right? Nah. Bye, Tika. Bye, Tika. Tika's cool. Well, that's it for the job hunt on this job search. I'm going out to find me some more jobs. The job hunter.